talking about personal budgeting. So you guys have a foldable that says vocabulary. If you go ahead and open that up, you'll see that there's 4 words inside. So we're gonna play a quick video, and then if you could try to like fill it in along with the video, you can either get the definition or examples or where you think it is. But this is gonna help you in the activity that we have next. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the video.
Sweet. I can't pass up a good deal.
Come in, come in. Press my palm with silver to unlock the secrets of eternal prosperity.
It's $20, kid. What? I mean, of course. I thought this was supposed to be a cheaper place.
I sense your name is Jen.
Wow.
And you appear to be a plum.
Nope.
But there is more than meets the eye. For you have some sort of part-time job?
Yes.
Great. So you have a regular paycheck coming in. Draw a card, Jen. Choose wisely.
Oh no. What does it mean?
Oh, that's just car insurance. That's usually an annual one. So that goes over here. Draw another. Oh my. With that card, I sense a powerful energy here.
The utilities card? Wait a second. Utilities, income, expenses. Are you budgeting me?
Well, yeah.
I thought you read fortunes.
You won't have any fortune left for me to read unless you know how much you spend versus how much you earn. Your income is actually less than your paycheck or salary. When planning a budget, you must factor in taxes and deductions. Otherwise, you will be budgeting money you don't even have.
But budgeting is mostly for saving up for big stuff, right? I pay my rent and internet, and I still have money left over, so I'm good.
How do you know what you can and can't afford?
Well, I look at my account balance, and if there's money there, I know I can spend it.
Your palm! Show me your palm!
Palm reading. Now we're talking. Ow.
No more spending until you give every dollar a job. Part of that account balance that you're freely spending on fun stuff should actually be going to savings and one-time payments. Budgeting doesn't mean feeling guilty for fun purchases. It means feeling confident about them.
Like being in control of your own destiny.
Sure. Look, my crystal ball.
What do you see?
It's a warning, an unforeseen circumstance, an emergency of some sort.
Oh no.
It is unavoidable, Jen. If you do not prepare yourself, it will cost you dearly.
That sounds horrible. What is it? An accident?
It could be. Or just like your car doesn't start one morning, or there's a loss of income in your household, or something like that.
Oh, this is a budgeting thing again.
An emergency fund is an important part of your budget.
It's cool. I get it.
Are you sure? Because I predict many more sessions for you with the budget fortune teller at a very reasonable rate.
No, I think I got it. Budgeting is about control. I need to be real about my income and watch out for sneaky expenses. And savings and emergency funds are important. Great.
But the crystal ball told me I foresee at least 7 to 8 more sessions. Luna has bills to pay too. Hey!
This is so pretty.
Why, thank you. I've had it for years. It's... Oops.
I bet you didn't foresee that emergency expense. Huh?
Okay, so that was our quick intro video. And now if you guys could go to kahoot.it on your phone, please. Okay, so the income is your paycheck, but that's minus the taxes and deductions. So we have Enron in first place, and then Darius and Cindy, for second and third. And remember, the faster you answer, the more points you get. Next question. Is it true or false? The income is more than your salary. Alright, so that's false. So mostly everybody got that. And remember, like what you actually make, which is like the salary, you have to take into account those deductions and the taxes. Okay, so Darius is in first place now, and then Cam and Cindy. And this is the last question. What should one take into account when budgeting? Awesome. Yeah, so when budgeting, remember it's very important to take into account your income plus the taxes and deductions like mentioned before, but you also have to take into account the unforeseen emergencies because life happens, right? Like you always have to have that security that if an emergency happens, you'll be ready. Okay? So Darius, first place, KM in second place, and Cindy in third place. So can we get a round of applause for them? Okay, so that's it for Kahoot It, and then Alejandra's gonna go ahead and introduce the next part.
So we saw what is income and all the things you have to take into account. For the next activity, which is in your worksheet, you're gonna pick one of the three choices for entertainment. The first one is you wanna go to the beach, you wanna fly over there, so it's gonna be $400. The second one,
I'm sorry. Don't turn around the worksheet yet. Face down. Sorry.
the second one is a road trip with your friends, so you're gonna spend $200 on that. And the third one, you just wanna stay here, chill, go to the bar, it's gonna be $100. And the point of this is you have a budget. You either live at home or live with a roommate, and you have a certain amount of money that you need to spend. In the worksheet, you're gonna see the savings, emergencies, car payment. You're gonna have these little cards that give you the options. You're gonna choose whatever you want. Either you want a Ford Mustang or a Corolla, and that's gonna be your car payment. But you also need to take into account that whatever you want to go to, whether it's the beach, road trip, or just a bar, you want to have enough money for that. So here are my examples. I have $500 each month, and 6% has to go to my savings. My goal is to go on that road trip for $200. So to calculate the savings, it's 500 times 0.06, and that is going to tell me that $30 is going into my savings. Then I chose on the gas card. I'm going to put $25 for that one. The internet, I chose the semi-high speed, so it's going to be $40. And then my car payment, I want the least expensive one, Chevy Cobalt, for $250. So I added up all my expenses, which ended up being to $345. And then I subtracted that from the total that I have. My ending money amount that I have is $155, which tells me that I'm going to be short $200. So that's what you're going to do in your worksheet with your partner. Any questions?
Yes, like she said, the goal is to be able to go on the vacation or on the place you chose. To have enough money for that.
With your team.
No, yeah, we still do. Like, add them all up.
You add all the oh no, that needs to see to compare the yeah, you know.
Yeah, you get each. Isn't a road trip and going to the beach the same? Because there's no beach.
Because that's what he wants to. No, it's not 5.1
Yeah.
That's
this. Oh, wait. Oh, true. I was not that.
How were you? I was really much bacon.
We didn't choose it. Like, we didn't choose it, but we didn't. How is that possible? Yeah, one of the promises. No, because you have an extra. So you get forced.
Track them or Yes, we're just waiting, guys. You have the 14. Yeah, so from the if you add all of that, it gives you oh, okay. 379. So is there anything you could adjust?
No, we we're on a diet.
Yeah. Sorry.
We oh, wait, what the
There's two different scenarios.
Hey, you screwed us over. That's not Wait. You know, we're gonna go to bar 3 times and we're gonna get Wow.
Is everybody done? About done?
$10 again.
More or less? Yes, no? So is everybody done pretty much? Yes? Okay, awesome. So now if we could have each pair present their scenario. There was 2 scenarios and one's income was higher than the other one, but it had more expenses. So if you guys could like present that with your group and then your choices and if you made it to your destination or not. So we can start with this group.
Oh, so we say everything we chose, different cars and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. So we decided to go to the beach for $400. We got we're going in a Toyota Corolla with $20 of gas. We bought groceries and we have high-speed internet at home. So after doing the math, yes, we're still able to go to our destination, and we have $31 left for margaritas at the beach.
Thank you guys. Could you all go next?
So we decided to go to the beach. There's 50 for savings, 22 for emergencies, and we put 25 for gas in the Chevy Cobalt, and we got high-speed internet, and we paid for groceries. So we're gonna go to the beach with $68 left over.
Okay, awesome. The group in the back, I know there's 2 groups if you guys go first. Okay, so we got the one where we make 800 each month and we wanted to go to the beach. So we tried to choose like on each of them the cheaper option, but we still came out short. But we said that we could skimp out on the groceries because we're going to the beach, so we're not gonna eat that much. We need to look good. So
We're only $21 short. Who's gonna lend us money?
Alrighty. So you guys were how much short? $21?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's not too bad. Okay, and then the next.
So our neighbors invited us to the beach, but
we decided to just go to the bar instead for $100. And then we chose the Chevy Cobalt. So since it's the smallest car, it shouldn't have that much gas, but I drive kind of fast. So we went with $15 for gas. And we have Netflix, so we need semi-high speed at least. And then we ended up with 386, so we decided to go to the beach and spend $20.
Awesome.
As a group.
Group work. Okay, and then your next one here.
We had an income of $800, and we decided to just go on the road trip. With everything, we got the semi-high speed internet. We decided to eat out, like go out to eat more often. We decided to drive the Toyota Corolla and do $15 in gas money. And total spending, we came out to $501. And that left us about $99 left over to use on our road trip.
Okay. Awesome. And then
Well, we had the income of $800 a month. So for savings, it was $40, and for emergencies, $16. And we chose the Ford Mustang, so the gas was going to be $20. And the internet, we chose high-speed internet, so $50. And we chose groceries, and we were left with, well, me and JC were left with $149, and Callie was left with $249 because she chose the Cobalt. So we have a lot of money for, we chose the bar.
the bar.
They go to the bar 3 times.
There you go. So y'all still have a lot of money left over. Okay. That's awesome. Really good job, guys.
I noticed that most of you focus on the internet to be high speed because that's one of the essentials that we have right now. So just to end up, can you all stand up? And we're gonna do the activity, find someone who stayed in the budget. Find someone who stayed in the budget. Who will they be? Which is most of you.
Wait.
And find somebody that's not on your table.
Oh.
Okay, somebody else.
Oh, she's. Yeah.
And really compare like what you all thought, if you could have picked maybe like a different destination, something more expensive or a little cheaper.
Yeah, there's no way that you can do it. No. A part-time job.
I know. Okay. We have a party. Now find somebody who did not make it to their destination.
Just because the beach was expensive.
And you made $800, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it depends a lot on your income, not just your paycheck, because you need to make sure you have for emergencies, for savings, and then you can decide if you can be able to go and just chill or relax.
And then you also have to take into consideration the taxes and the deductions, right? So we gave you a set income, but in real life, you have set income, but all the deductions play into hand, right? So you're gonna have even less money. So that's why budgeting is so important, and you have to make sure you have enough for everything. And maybe sometimes you have to sacrifice like a vacation or